you doing, guys? Let's see here. Hold on. This thing is a little bit different just because I am on what's it called? I'm in my bed. I had to move my whole thing. I'm in my bedroom. I moved a bunch of shit, so now we're in the bedroom. So you guys can see my bed over there. But this little fucker is being has been attacking everything. See? No. Holy shit. Look at her. Okay, go away. She's gonna go destroy some other shit. The recap from yesterday, I'm not gonna do it until probably later, just because. Okay. Anyways, we hit TP. Last one. So yeah. Let's see. Oh my god, these cats they're going crazy for some reason. Hold on, give me a second. Oh shit. I don't know what the fuck they're doing. All right. Market just opened here. So let's see what we have. We have these highs up here. ES SMT with the ES on these highs up here. Those 4-hour highs just got taken. Let's see, what else do we have? Hourly lows here, hourly lows here. We're bullish overall. 30-minute highs up here. I think those are pre-market highs. Yep. And then these might be previous day highs, I believe. Previous week highs. Previous week highs here. Down here we have London lows, and then Asia lows were already swept. In Asia highs, okay. London highs were just taken, so maybe if we come down and take out these lows here, 730, which are not London lows, but they are still lows. Maybe we can see what happens there. But for now, nothing else that I'm seeing right now. Let's look at ES, what we have here. Okay. We have essentially the same things on ES that we have on NQ. And then we have the London lows here. London lows. Oh man. Yesterday we hit a banger trade. It was good. It was good. Let's see. I think we're probably gonna come down here because I don't think we're gonna go all the way down to London lows. Probably not. Probably gonna come down here, and then from there we can just scale all the way up to take out those SMT highs. We just swept these highs up here, which are they hourly? No, they're not hourly. So they're lower system liquidity. So that is more than enough confirmation for it to continue to go lower. How many points is that? Yeah. It's definitely gonna go and take out those lows. I don't think it's gonna come all the way down to the lows. If it does, then it's probably gonna be no trading day for me. Since our overall bias for the day is bullish, we're just gonna wait for these lows to get taken first, and then from there we can scale down into the 1 minute and potentially see an SMT or anything else that we have for that. This is so far how my week is going. Last week we took only one trade. The trade was not what's it called? Well, it's not my huddle, so I shouldn't have taken it, and ended up in a loss. So that's what you get for not trading your strategy. I'll leave the light on. Like I always say, that's what happens when you don't trade your strategy. You have to be consistent with your strategy and consistent with what you're doing. Today we don't have any news. Yesterday we had PMI, so that's the only reason why I actually liked price action and what price action was doing. So yeah. Oh, I don't like that we're taking out the previous week high because we have a big ass SMT with ES. I don't like that at all. Okay, maybe I can look for shorts. Since we do have that SMT. So yeah. Oh my god, I might not even trade today. I just came back from Milan. Came back from Milan. Went to go see Ivan Cornejo. If you guys or if anyone watching listens to him, he's a really good singer. But yeah, I'm just gonna wait to see what happens. Jeez. And there's no news at all, by the way. I don't know what the fuck is going. But the market is gonna be the market, and it's gonna be that. Don't mind the mess. I haven't. We just got back home. I haven't been able to fucking do the bed or anything. Like, at all. This is my hoodie, and I have chargers and everything because we just came back from our trip. So don't mind that. Just forget that's there. Oh, I swear I just had that shit. I lost my dongle for my headphones, so I can't use because the wired headphones. I have them as jeez. I have a mess in this bag. Holy shit. Okay. Can I not lock this? We'll just leave it there. I might have to buy another one. Where the fuck did I leave my dongle, bro? No. Not there. What are you doing? Yeah, I have no idea where I left it. I don't know where price is going right now. I don't really see any other. Might be going to just all-time highs. I don't really see any other liquidity that it's gonna take. Maybe. Do we have any 4 hour? 4 hour for Valley Gap is gonna get inversed after this candle. And that's literally it. We have nothing else to go towards. So I'll probably not even trade today. The daily might close above this for value gap. So I think we are bullish. Everything is bullish, but I can't trade this without a liquidity sweep. So I think price might, yeah. I honestly don't know. Unless you take a setup on ES to go higher. I wouldn't because it's not my strategy, but you could have easily taken a setup here. Probably put your stops here. Or like right here actually. Just because those are the targets for ES. Let me move this a little bit lower. Not that low. What if I put it here? Is that better? What about here? Just because those are the targets for ES. And yeah, I think that's better, right? Here, right there. Is that better? Because you can only see the bed behind me. Or maybe here. That's where I had it before. Oh, shit, not that. There you go. I think that's perfect. So yeah, probably not gonna trade. Today, my beautiful Barca plays. So that's gonna be good to see. See, it keeps doing that shit. Is that better? I think so. Bro, my hair is all fucked up. Okay, I'm gonna put this away. Hold on 1 second. It's freezing, bro. All right. Good thing is I am looking like we do want to continue lower. However, we are a little bit overextended, I think. Probably not too much. Maybe I'll just wait for this inverse for rally gap to get inverse, and then from there maybe we can look for shorts until these lows. But like I said, it's probably gonna be a no trading day for me just because this keeps moving down, bro. Why? Oh shit. This shit's annoying. What is wrong with the camera? Can't you just stay there? Perfect. What about there? Okay, that's better. What if I just put it in the center, like right here? Is that better? Okay, yeah, way better. Yeah. Oh, we'll just see what happens. I'm not impatient at all today. I really don't want to trade today just because I want to save my capital and preserve the profits that I made yesterday. So we're probably not even gonna trade, like I said. Yo, what the fuck am I watching?
If the trade seems easy, there's a good chance you're just about to be sexually violated. That's fine if you like that sort of thing. He's smiling. Do you like that sort of thing? Okay.
What the fuck is on my feed? What the fuck is this? What the fuck?
Yeah, you see.
Are you guys happy now? Holy shit. I've been bugging all day. No te aproveches, sabes que tú tienes todo el control, yo casi no puedo, tú sabes. We might even get way more SMTs than we thought. Price is bullish, but ES keeps pulling NQ down. Let's see what the Dow is doing. Dow is going down as well. So I honestly think that we might continue lower. However, we are respecting this for rally up here. Like I said, I want to see these lows get taken first before continuing higher. And if that means wait, then I'm gonna wait. It's still not macro yet. We still got around 10 more seconds to see and wait what the macro is gonna give us. So it looks like it's gonna keep going higher, but who knows? Hey, hey. Pero no me puedo ver sin ti. Yeah, price, I think it's gonna push higher if I'm being honest. Let's see here. Was there an SMT at this house? No SMT. Yeah, I think we're gonna continue higher. On NQ, I really don't see any targets. If like we do go higher, maybe we get like a break of structure, but um there's really no targets too. What are you doing? Can you stay still for 1 second? Holy shit.
Guys, guys.
Solo con tocar sueño tener al amor que prometió el amor eterno. There was no news, but okay. Alright, I think we might want to go shorter. We would have to evaluate the whole fair value gap, which it's kind of hard trading against the trend, but at the same time, ES is about to take these lows here, and this is a big ass fair value gap. Um, I don't even know what price is gonna do, or what price wants to do. We have that fair value gap, so maybe if price comes up, taps into the fair value gap, and we can look for shorts, and then stops above here, and then just target this right here. But 30 minutes looking very bullish. 1 hour is very bullish. Everything is bullish. So I don't know if I want to short this. It is giving me confirmation to short. Um, because ES is about to take these lows. If it does come back up here, I would put my stops to break even once ES took out these lows, or if it completely stops me out. So I really don't know if I want to risk this because when you feel like you don't want to risk it, that's mainly because it's not. Oh, I kind of like this move. How many cons is that? Four. You know what? We'll sell. We have. I mean, we have everything it is. We have everything that we need. Only thing that is kind of scary is this 1 minute for rally gap, which is also a 5 minute for rally gap, which can be a 15 minute. We'll see. I'm not risking that as much as I normally do, so that's another one. So I'll take the loss on this one if I have to. I just think that price wants to continue lower. I feel like it needs to take out some lows before actually continuing higher. And like I said, once ES takes out these lows, I will be going break even. So that's kind of what my bias is right here. But we'll see what happens. We might get stopped out. We might not. Potentially might get stopped out because ES is inversing that gap. Yeah, we're definitely getting stopped out on this trade. Why am I trading against the trend? I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm getting stopped out. It is what it is. This was my mistake. It was a mistake, honestly, because I'm trading against the trend. And even though we got changes to delivery and the Ferrari got respected, um, it still isn't the best condition to go for shorts, especially when we're in a high time frame bullish. We're in a high time frame bullish trend. So yeah. The good thing is that we are creating SMTs at these highs. So we'll see. It's more likely that I get stopped out if I'm being honest, and it's okay. It's my mistake. I did it, so it's whatever. I think we are gonna get stopped out, to be honest. It is what it is. I didn't want to. Shit, I should have not. I shouldn't have traded today. It's fine. It's there. You know. I don't like when Price does this because it's like edging my stop loss. But yeah, stop. All right. Definitely shouldn't have traded. I literally knew that. I was telling myself not to trade, and this is proof that I was telling myself not to trade. But now it's too late for me to regret anything. Um, I didn't want to loss today, but why did I fucking enter? I don't know. I don't know why I entered this shit. Um, but yeah, reason for entry, we gotta change instead of delivery right there. Yes, looked like it was going down. It's been going down this whole time while fucking NQ was consolidating, by the way. As soon as we came down, we made a fair value gap, tapped into the fair value gap, went in that fair value gap, and then got obliterated and stopped out. We're still up on the account, so that's not too bad. We're still up on the week, so that's not too bad. However, I did not want to take a loss today, and I told myself not to take a loss, but you know, it's fine. Say follow your rules. Well, it is what it is. 300. Let's see. Let me do some math real quick. What is it? 378 times 3. I lost 1,000. What the fuck? I lost 1,134. But yesterday I made around like 3 grand. So, uh, yeah, it is what it is. I'll see you guys. I'm gonna get off the charts. I'm not gonna trade anymore. I don't want to risk any more capital. I fucked up on that trade and I should get out. So, yeah, that's gonna be it. See you guys.